We all know about the most common atmospheric electrical phenomenon known as lightning, which is commonly seen all over the world during thunderstorms. However, did you know that there are other rare electrical and natural light phenomena that takes place high into the atmosphere, known as transient luminous events? This phenomena of transient luminous events are very rare and last for only a few milliseconds and have been captured on camera by only a handful of people. Okay, so let's get into this. Number 3. Sprites. Sprites appear as luminous red-orange jellyfish-like lightning flashes that occur 50 to 90 kilometers or 31 to 56 miles in altitude above thunderstorms in the mesosphere. They are caused by the discharges of positive lightning between an underlying thundercloud and the ground. Sprites are not considered lightning per se, but are considered cold plasma phenomena, unlike the hot temperature of lower atmosphere lightning. It's similar to a fluorescent light bulb discharge than regular lightning. Some sprites will display a troll. Who comes up with these names? Well, it stands for Transient Red Optical Luminous Lineaments. It produces a red streak downward from itself. Number 2. Jets. Jets are a form of upper atmospheric lightning taking place at 50 kilometers or 30 miles in altitude. They are connected to lower atmospheric lightning as cloud-to-air discharge that begins in a thunderstorm and travels upward above the clouds, as you can see here, and can last up to a third of a second, which is much slower than a normal lightning bolt. Jets are much rarer than sprites. Other types of transient luminous events are not electrically connected to lower atmospheric lightning, but are triggered by it. There are 2 types of jets, blue jets and gigantic jets. Blue jets are conical in shape and can reach an altitude of 50 kilometers or 30 miles. They are mainly generated by thunderstorms with high rates of negative cloud-to-ground lightning. Gigantic jets, however, reach much higher altitudes than blue jets, reaching as high as 50 miles or 90 kilometers. Red sprite-like phenomena appear at the top of giant jets, but are not sprites. Unlike blue jets, gigantic jets are not associated with cloud-to-ground lightning, but initiate within the thunderstorm and propagate upward from the cloud at a slower rate. Here's a jet that is viewed from the ISS. Okay, this last one, number 1, the ELVE, E-L-V-E, emissions of light very low frequency perturbations. These are the rarest and hard to capture transient luminous events that occur in the thermosphere at an altitude of 100 kilometers or 62 miles above the Earth and occur above thunderstorms and have been photographed only on a few occasions. They appear as a dim, red flattened donut-shaped glow around 300 to 400 kilometers or 200 to 250 miles in diameter that lasts for a millisecond. ELVEs were first recorded in October 7th of 1990. They are formed by which the light is generated by excited nitrogen molecules due to electron collisions by electromagnetic pulses from a thunderstorm. There is much more to learn about these upper atmospheric transluminous events as more research is needed, as it is still a relatively little known phenomenon.